Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Before we start, as always, I have to show you guys my hotel room. I am visiting Hong Kong for the first time and guess what? I always get hungry right after my flight, so I ordered for this tofu stew, which is one of the traditional food in Hong Kong, and I got some sleep because we have a 30 hours layover. And in the morning I got up and I went to the breakfast buffet with my colleagues since we are going out together, and I love the buffet in Asia because they have a lot of choices. They have Western style and Asian style, where in Asian style section they have rice, curry, soup, and soup noodles and all varieties of Asian food, which I love. I go for the breakfast and I eat for lunch as well. We had a wholesome breakfast, and today we're a big number of crew going out together to go visit the Big Buddha in Hong Kong. The good thing about the 5-star hotels is that some of them they provide free shuttle bus to take us around in the city or to take us to the airport. So this hotel they have a free shuttle bus to take us to the cable cart station where we take a cable cart and go to the Big Buddha. So on the way to the cable cart, I witnessed this huge building with full of apartments because I heard that Hong Kong is one of the most expensive location in the world. Average living in a small furnished studio costs around 1.5 lakhs in a month, which is comparatively very high comparing to India. And yes, we reached the cable car station and look at the view. The weather is so gloomy and foggy. We were contemplating whether to go or not because the cable car ticket is very expensive as well. But we decided to go because we don't know when we will come back. There are two types of cable car cabins. One is the standard cabin which costs 2,800 rupees, and the other one is the crystal cabin which costs 3,750. So the difference is that the standard cabin doesn't have a transparent glass floor, where the crystal cabin has a transparent glass floor. That's why it's more expensive. So we opted for the transparent glass floor because we wanted to have a good experience and make the most out of it. So we got in the cable cart, but before that, we had to wait a long queue which took us 2 hours because there's a lot of people. 哇！Wow! Look down, oh my god, so beautiful!
It looks like unreal, like a picture outside.
Here up no, so we can at least see the big Buddha before we leave.
Hi guys!
Welcome to the channel. The big Buddha. This is the entrance. There is a lot of souvenir shops, cafes, restaurants, a lot to do there. A lot of tourists as well. It's very busy. We have to wait around 1 hour for the cable cart. Oh my god, why is so expensive? Ah,
No, US dollar.
1,000. It is? It's far.
And all the way up the stairs and all the way down and all the way to the temple and all the way here.
We burnt our breakfast.
The calories. So guys, this is the end of the video. Please like, subscribe and keep supporting. Thank you so much. Bye bye. See you in the next video.